This is how you repair your credit in 2024 perfectly without spending no money hardly. The cheapest way you can do it, the best way to do it, the most latest way to do it, and the current way to do it. You don't need nothing else but just this video. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and also I would like to tell y'all, if you like me and you like to pay what you weigh, for $200, you can contact me. You can hit me up on Instagram or my email. They are all in the description. And I'll repair your credit for you for $200. But with that said, it could be free and cost you up to about $50 max, and you will have a great credit score if you watch this video all the way to the end. So let's get straight up into it. First thing that you has to do, like there's no way around this. This is common sense, but y'all gotta understand, a lot of these people are credit repair virgins. They don't know. You feel what I'm saying? A virgin ain't gonna know how to fuck like a porn star. You get what I'm saying? I'm a porn star when it comes to this credit. You dig? I've been digging in all type of credit all my life, so we got it. Let's get it. First thing you gotta do, you have to pull your credit score. What do you pull your credit score at? Anywhere. You can just Google it. But if you want to be very accurate, the most accurate, then go to FICO.com. FICO is the most accurate app when it comes to your credit score. Like Credit Karma really not that accurate. The other three credit bureaus ain't that accurate. FICO take all those scores and combine them to one, what people actually looks at. You know, rent people, mortgage people, loan people, things like that. They look at your FICO. They don't look at, you know, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Nah. So focus on the FICO. That's just a little game. All right. Second thing you need to do, once you pull your credit report, now you know what to dispute off of there. Now you know what to get off of there. Now some things you need to keep. Now I will put in the description a video of how to dispute things. Some things, I know it sounds crazy, some bad things are good on there. If the credit age is 10 years, 6 years, and the you know, you only owe 600, 1,000, it's best to keep that on there. I promise you. It's best because that credit age mean more than what you owe. I promise you. But I got videos to tell y'all the details on that. This video just to go ahead and breeze right through there. And you can exit off the video now. Just hit me up at the Real Tab Flames if you want to spend $200. The price will go up. The price is going up. The more I do, the price is going up. All satisfied customers. Or you can hit me up at globaldrippinllc@gmail.com. I got y'all, but it'll be in the description. So anyway, after you dispute all the negative things, I also have videos on how to dispute things. But I'm just going to give y'all a little sauce. But I go detailed into these other videos I got. So that's why you want to subscribe and hit the bell notification for you won't miss no video. And go check the old videos out. Check them out. Go to the page, check them out. See what worked for you. These videos is all about getting money. So all right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to dispute all the negative collections and hard inquiries that you suppose to dispute off there. I suggest, if you ain't trying to pay me to do it, I just suggest that you just really ask somebody or come ask me, and I tell you for free whether it need to be disputed or not, because the credit age mean a lot. So now you got the bad stuff falling off. Keep that in your head, the bad stuff falling off. Now you need to add 2 secured or unsecured credit cards. I have videos on those 2. What's a secured credit card, what's an unsecured credit card, and how they work. But basically, just a long story short, a secured credit card is a credit card that they give you the money. They may give you $200, $500, depending on is it personal credit or business credit. It may be $1,000, it may be $50,000. It all depends on what avenue or what you got going on, or is it business or personal credit. But I got videos on business credit too, so that's why I told y'all, and they're gonna keep coming. That's all I do, man, is think of money. I think of money all day and figure out how to get it all day. All y'all got to do is subscribe. I got y'all. I do the hard work. So add two secured credit cards. I actually added Capital One, and I added what was the other one? I think American Express, but I added those two. And see, I had bad credit, so I had to get unsecured credit cards, meaning I just had to put down a deposit. $200 mean you got a $200 credit line. $500 mean you got a $500 credit line. And if you pay back on time and do what you got to do, they'll offer you more. You might have put 200 down. Now you can get 300, 100 on them. You get what I'm saying? They got different little apps and things for that. All right, so now you done added on 2 unsecured or secured credit cards. It would do wonders. Every time you pay a bill or do anything, you get credit for it. Even if you spend cash, you get credit for it. I mean, you just get credit for whatever you spend off of that card. So make sure that you do that. Not only make sure that they all report to credit bureaus. All 3 credit bureaus, I mean. Y'all, I don't have no teleprompter. Excuse me. I just got a phone in front of my face freestyling this. You dig what I'm saying? But anyway, it works like magic. But if you don't want to do it, hit me up. I'll do it for 200. So now you got the bad. Remember I said keep that in your head. You got the bad falling off. But guess what? You got the good coming on. But it take time, you guys. All these videos, fix your credit in 3 days. Fix your credit for 100% free. That's a lie. Ain't nothing for free. Ain't nothing easy. It don't work like that. That's why people just shoot me to 200. But here's where it started to cost a little bit, but it's very cheap. Damn near free. You need 2 to 3 primary trade lines. Now, one thing about trade lines, they change every freaking week, seem like. They in, they out, they gone. You would think that they scamming. You just got to catch a good one. Back in the day, when I first started credit repair 3-4 years ago, it was Hutton Chase and My Jewelry Club. Now Hutton Chase and My Jewelry Club is closed down. Now it's Koku, K-O-K-U, I can't even pronounce it. And you got Kickoff, K-I-K-O-F-F. No, I didn't mean K-I-C-K, kick. No, it's K-I-K-O-F-F. Do that, then you got self-lender as well. Get those. The way they work, I have a video on the way every one of them work. I got a video on self-lender. I got a video on Credit Strong. I also have a video on Kickoff. I have a video on Kovu. Y'all just got to search the channel. Type in Money Hoarder Kovu. Money Hoarder Cash App. Whatever y'all want, just type in Money Hoarder. It will come up for you. I got you. Y'all watch the playlist. I got a money making playlist, a credit repair playlist. All right. So, okay. Now, after you got those trade lines coming on, you got secured credit cards that's paying bills or unsecured credit card paying bills. They're coming on. All the bad stuff steady falling off. This in a 30-day period. Now the primary trade lines take about 30 days to get on there. So you'll see your credit score. Let's say you got a 560. It probably go down to a 540. And then within a month or two, you see that bitch shoot up to a 713. This, I done seen it 1,000 times. I mean, come on now. All right. So number 5, be careful of your card utilization. Be careful to your debt to income ratio. That's very important. If you get the credit cards or the debit cards, even if it's unsecured, if you got a $200 limit, that just means keep it under 10%. People say 40%, which is accurate, but I don't like to play with my credit. If I got 2,000 on the card, I'm not using no more than 200. If I got 200 on the card, I'm not using no more than 20, cause that's a big thing. It just shows the credit bureaus how you handle money. So that's just a little extra bonus for y'all. Number 6, sit back and wait on your credit history to build. But see, that's the reason why I told y'all. That's the reason why I said the credit age mean a lot. The credit age mean almost everything. So sit back and let time go by. It's working for you. You understand? All right. So we're gonna stop with the steps right now, but we stopped at step 5. So we're gonna go ahead and skip around a little bit because I actually got ahead of myself. You feel me? Number 7 is open up self-lender and Credit Strong. Number 8 is keep your debt to income ratio under 40%. I already went through all of that. I'm going too fast. You get what I'm saying? All right. Now, I give you details in this sauce. If you just want the credit repair sauce, I do it for $25. Just hit the cash out. Here go the sauce. Y'all get this exact sauce. I tell y'all exactly what to press. See, here's what you get when you contact me. See, this stuff just don't disappear and come on. You have to actually know exactly what you're doing. You have to know exactly what you are doing. So, I'm going to give y'all one piece of game that's worth thousands of dollars. Now, how did I get this sauce? And it ain't stopped working yet, and I've been using it since 2019. It's 2024 finna be. I always had the mind state to date women that was of power. So it was a lady that did taxes, credit repair, and she had her own corporation and business. I'm not gonna say the name of it because it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So as I would listen and watch and pay attention, and she fixed mine and helped me and help others, I would pay attention. And I noticed whether it was a repo, a student loan, a charge off, hard inquiries, she always did the same thing. So one day I asked her, I said, why you keep saying the balance is incorrect and the balance is incorrect? You do it twice and you'll put the same exact thing. Do people know that? She was like, nah. I said, so what you do? And this is exactly what she told me, and I've been doing it ever since, and I ain't failed ever since. When I wake up, my inbox is like this. Hey, man, my credit score ain't done nothing yet. Man, what's going on? Be patient. Week later, you the GOAT. I'm up to a 713. I'm balling. I told you, just sit back and chill. I got you. Or you could do it yourself. But that's exactly how you do it. But I'm going to give y'all this sauce that she gave me. And I'm giving this to y'all from me. And I can charge y'all thousands for this. Because this is what they use at the credit bureaus. And it always worked for her. I know she done over 2,000 clients. Why? Because she got to file taxes. I know that I done did over 500 clients last year. More this year. Because I had to file taxes on it. So, long story short. I don't care what you're going through if the balance is exactly correct. This is what you got to put. The balance is incorrect. On Credit Karma, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Credit Karma do all of them. So you could just save some time by just disputing them on Credit Karma. But with that said, all you got to do, most of the apps going to ask you the same question twice. They're trying to throw you off. So that's a simple fix. They're going to ask you different questions. It don't matter what the questions say. Just pick anything that say the balance is incorrect. They're going to ask you the second question. They're just going to word it different, and they're going to give you the same multiple choice. Pick anything that say the balance is incorrect. But here's where the sauce come in at that I used to leave blank, and that's why I used to mess up at. This is where they disputed at. They literally disputed what you write in the additional comment box. In the additional comment box, you write this. I might even put it in the description for y'all can just copy and paste it. Because it's simple. This account is under litigation. The balance is incorrect. And I need it closed, but not only closed, but removed from my credit report immediately. Thanks in advance. That says you know exactly what you're talking about and you mean business. And I know a lot of y'all asking, how? Only a person that do that knows some shit. And the credit bureaus know that. So this is what their problem is. They have over billions of clients, billions of customers. They can't keep up with all this stuff. So they only got 30 days from when you dispute it to come up with what you owe and how you owe it. And this is exactly how it works. They got 1 million people owing them. 500,000 ain't paying. 400,000 is paying. The other 100,000 it's on to their credit or whatever. Or however you want to put the numbers. I may be off or whatever. You got whatever. You got You got 300,000 people not paying it. And they got a list of 300,000 people. And they got 3,000 employees. So everybody got about 10,000 people on their list. People that don't put in an additional comment section just see it like this, and they don't do what say they don't know what they talking about. We'll figure it out. Oh, this person ain't playing. Bloop, we'll delete that. Bloop, we'll delete that. Bloop. Be one of them people that say, bloop, we'll delete that. See, a lot of people so self-centered, so selfish, they think that the world is about them. When they send their disputes, everybody's supposed to pause and get to them. No, you just one of a billion people. To you, you just you. To credit bureaus, you just a number, and that's a social security number. You just a number. I mean, let's just be honest. You just a number. But I know to yourself you're important. To God you're important. To Jesus you're important. But to the credit bureau, you just a social number. You're nothing to them. So they just So y'all can take this game and run with it, or y'all can just get me to do it for you however you want to do it. I don't care. I'm just here to help. You dig what I'm saying? But see, what made me make this video, some guy told me that Bandman Kevo himself, he sent me proof. Bandman Kevo sent him 2 credit repair letters for $450 a piece. That man paid $900. He sent them off. They got rejected. They didn't work or nothing. I said, when we doing letters? Even your bank statements and everything now, you can go paperless. Why would you do? Why is he selling in his? What the fuck? Brian never sent no letter, and everything get disputed. But with that said, I hope y'all can elevate off this game. I hope y'all can learn for this game. Like, subscribe, man. Credit, money, is power, man. You got God, credit, money, Jesus Christ. There's nothing that can stop you, man. But with that said, y'all have a blessed day. God bless all of y'all. And I'll holler.